From القاهرة News, here's what's happening around the world. The pager explosions join Israel's record of crimes, new explosion in Cologne, Germany, and more than 1 million victims in the Russian-Ukrainian war. Lebanon's hospitals are full of victims after a series of explosions of pager radios and other means of communication that suddenly exploded in different areas. The series of explosions coincided with the occupation army with more forces towards the Lebanese border, and this is after the Israeli defense minister announced entering a new phase of war and that the center of gravity moved to the northern front. Days after an explosion next to a nightclub in the German city Cologne, the city witnessed a new explosion in a clothing store hundreds of meters from the site of the first explosion, resulting in minor injuries to a passerby. In the Russian-Ukrainian war, a source in the security service of Ukraine confirmed the launch of a drone attack on the Russian region of Tver, which resulted in the destruction of a weapons depot in the region that included missiles, guided bombs, and artillery ammunition. More than 2 years after the start of this war, a U.S. report revealed the extent of casualties among both sides despite the deliberate silence of Russia and Ukraine on the number of soldiers killed and wounded. The report confirmed that the human losses may have exceeded 1 million, as the Ukrainian forces suffered, according to secret estimates, about 80,000 dead and 400,000 wounded, while the Russian side, according to Western intelligence estimates, 200,000 dead and 400,000 wounded. In a serious environmental sign, the water levels of the Amazon rivers have fallen to unprecedented levels in what has been described as the worst drought in the region ever, while some river streams that were used for navigation have dried up.